So these are our neighbors across the way. This is Doug. He's the neighbor right behind us. And forgive me, I'm terrible with names. What was your name again?
Hamza.
What was it?
Hamza.
Hamza?
Yeah.
Awesome name. And Jacob. All right. So,
right,
okay. Point it that way. Yeah, definitely.
All right.
Wait, can we like hold the end?
Get over here by
I would hold it out like that once you start it,
Well,
essentially.
right at the
Hold on
bottom.
the edge, right?
I think right there, exactly. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Don't point it towards each other, though. Okay?
I'll try. Oh, this one's burning.
Let it go. Just a second. Let him get down to it.
Yeah.
Let him get down to it.
Oh, over there.
There you go.
Oh, cool. Huh. I know how long they last. Whoa.
Oh, this is
Just start shooting out stuff here in a little bit.
Is it just...
Give it a second. It's still smoking. Give it a second.
the fusion that way.
I can see.
That's the thing about them. You never know when they're actually going to... So it's just like a huge sparkler, essentially. I mean, that is like the biggest sparkler ever. It's like a road flare.
Yeah, I was just shooting.
Whoa, there it goes. It's like a little flamethrower. It's okay, we got more. There we go. Ha! Oh, it might be. Yeah, it might be. Well, we got more.
Well, okay, we can hold one of the other ones up to it to get it lit.
There we go. Is that the old one? Yeah, that one might just be a... Or is that the new one?
That's the new one.
This is the new one. I swear it feels worse. Take the paper off of it. Is it fused? The fuse
Yeah,
is
the
still
fuse,
lit.
yeah, it is. I can see the fuse.
The fuse is just like smoldering. Oops, I'm a terrible cameraman, apparently. I'm like videoing the street. See, as soon as it goes back up, though, you don't want to be standing in front of it. There.
Yeah, that's dead. It's
So
like,
just wait, it might like, give it a second.
There! Whoop! Yay!
yeah!
Okay, that'll get ready.
Ah!
Don't be a dud!
Oh, it's trying to light.
Okay.
Try to light yours.
Don't point it at you.
Well, once it'll give you a warning before it starts.
Hopefully. It's crazy. Hmm. Yeah, see, his is standing up all tall and straight with the paper on it.
Yeah, these fuses. God. Oh, yeah, there's some over here.
There we go.
Yes!
All right.
His is happy.
Yeah.
He's our designated lighter for the rest of the night.
We're doing everything. Flamethrower, let's see if they're lit.
Kids, do not try this at home.
Yeah, I think we're lit. Yeah, oh, you're
It's on fire at least.
Yeah, you're suck!
Let people get
You
going.
suck!
It's a torch.
I'm a fire! I am the power of
Whoa! Whoa!
Okay, my bad. Okay, wait, we see the rest. We see the rest. Yeah. Okay, good. It's just gonna fall shorter.
There we go. No, no, no. Look like it.
It's on fire.
Look like it.
Yeah, yours is still. Mine's on fire. No, crackling.
Glad it got going, that.
Yeah, that would have been lame if he didn't get one of them. Whoa, there it goes. Whoa. That's awesome.
Okay, 3, 2, 1. Woo! Oh,
Right.
God. I swear, this is I'm the only one on this.
Okay, and who knows which way this is gonna go? Jacob, watch out. Whoa!
Wait, it's doing something. It's not done.
No, I think that's the fuse. Is that the fuse on top or what?
Yeah, it's just the.
All right. So here comes the big one.
Okay, Jacob, you're just gonna light that fuse.
Happy 4th of July, everybody. Molly, I wish you were here.
Hold it down. I can't do it. You do it. Okay. I failed. You ready? ready?
We're ready.
3, 2, 1.
There we go.
It's gonna be good. Yeah, but just enjoy it. Alright, that's cool.
What?
No, there's more.
Oh, I was about to say.
Whoa! Oh wow! Ha! Go America! How they can make them and they go in order and everything is just so neat.
Alright, that was awesome.
That was cool.